Kenya.
Thank you very much, Sam, and good evening to all the viewers. As you've heard, my name is Zachary Njeru, Minister for Lands, Public Works, Housing and Urban Development. One of the key aspects that we have done as a government in the last 10 months touches on matters housing. It's good to let Kenyans know that the housing demand in urban areas in Kenya is 250,000 units per year. But what the market is providing through the private sector is 50,000 units. Also to note that out of the 50,000, 2% is only 2% that goes to the low-income earners. So the gap, the deficit of 200,000 needs to be, to be closed. And therefore, as a government, we have taken that deliberate effort to make sure that through affordable housing program, yes, we come up and fill that gap.
Asante.
Two, when it comes to lands, I'm just highlighting the few ones because I'm sure we'll go into details.
Mheshimiwa, tusamehe kwa sababu ya muda, tutataka tu kwenye taarifa, alafu tutarudi tufafanue zaidi kwa maswali na majibu. Asante sana, nashukuru. Sam.
Right, and we now take you to Lulu and Jeff for the news this evening.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Nimrod.